Okay, so here we go, year 7. Right, we're going to have a look at was spielst du. Okay, so you're going to learn to say what it is you play. So was spielst du is what do you play. You'll also learn how to say was spielst du gern, what you like to play. Was spielst du nicht gern, what you don't like to play. Okay, so was spielst du, what do you play? You might say, ich spiele hockey, I play hockey. Ich spiele Fußball, I play football. Ich spiele Rugby, I play rugby. Ich spiele Basketball, I play basketball. Ich spiele Tennis, I play tennis. Ich spiele Volleyball, I play volleyball. Ich spiele Wasserball, so water ball or water polo. Ich spiele Handball, I play handball. Ich spiele Tischtennis, I play table tennis. Okay, let's practice those then. How would you say I play tennis? That's right, ich spiele Tennis. How would you say I play table tennis? Ich spiele Tischtennis. Good. How would you say I play hockey? Ich spiele hockey. Good. Okay, now you've got the hang of that, let's have a look at all the different parts of spielen. So, spielen is the verb, and spielen means to play. So, if you want to say I play, you will say ich spiele. You play, du spielst. And remember, that's the one person if you're being informal. So maybe if you were talking to your friend. Spielt is he plays, and sie spielt is she plays. Then we've got wir spielen. Ihr spielt. Remember that one is you play as well, but that's if you're talking to more than one person but being informal, so maybe to a group of friends. Then you've got Sie spielen, you play. It doesn't matter how many people you're talking to there, that's just the polite version. And then Sie spielen, they play. Okay, we've got ich spiele gern Tennis. So, ich spiele gern. That gern there basically tells us that you don't just play it, you like to play tennis. Okay, so ich spiele gern Tennis means I like to play tennis. Then you've got ich spiele sehr gern Tennis. So we know that our gern is like, and sehr means very. So basically you're saying that you like to play tennis very much. The other way that you could say it would be to say I really like to play tennis, and that would work nicely. You could say ich spiele ziemlich gern. Ziemlich is different. We've still got our gerns. We know we still got something to do with like, but ziemlich is only quite. So instead of I really like, you've got I quite like to play tennis. And then our last one, ich spiele nicht gern Tennis. Now yes, we've got our gern there, which means like, but this nicht tells you that it's all gone a bit wrong because that's not. So I don't like to play tennis. So basically, ich spiele gern Tennis. I like to play tennis. Ich spiele sehr gern Tennis. I really like to play tennis. Ich spiele ziemlich gern Tennis. I quite like to play tennis. And ich spiele nicht gern Tennis. I don't like to play tennis. Okay, to finish off, what I'd like you to do, I'd like you to write 4 sentences, please, of your own. They will be based on whether you do like them, don't like them, quite like them, or really like them. So, number 1, you can use gern. Number 2 can be sehr gern. Number 3 can be ziemlich gern. And then number 4 can be nicht gern. So if you could write 4 sentences, look back to all the sports on the very, very start of this video and tell me for each one, what do you like playing? For number 2, what do you really like playing? For number 3, what do you quite like playing? And number 4, what do you not like playing? And then upload those, please, via the Google Classroom.